Waf.
Hey, K-Flan.
Welcome to the very first office hour video of Discovery.
I'm so honored to be nerding out with you. What are we chatting about today?
Yeah, so today we're going to start off by talking about what is data science, because a lot of times people don't have a good idea of what data science truly is. They may think, oh, it's some statistics, it's some computer science, but we're going to talk about how we will think about it throughout this course. So Wade and I like to think of data science as the intersection of three things. And I'll go ahead and start with the first thing. The first thing is my domain, which is statistics. And statistics specifically looks at inferential thinking and how we use math to make decisions under uncertainty. So throughout Discovery, we're going to be talking about different statistical techniques and how statistics can help us analyze data.
So statistics, I think, is one piece of the puzzle, but you can't do very much with data if you don't have some computation or computer science with statistics.
Exactly. So the second part of data science is this idea of computation or computer science. And that is Wade's domain. So Wade, what are we going to be using to do computation?
So one of the most widely used and easiest to use programming language in the world is a programming language called Python. And we're going to focus in Discovery on the pandas library.
Perfect. So we're going to use Python and pandas to actually do statistical techniques, analyze data, and do everything that we're going to do in Discovery.
And Karle, what brings this all together? What's the third ingredient?
Yeah, so the third ingredient is something that we think is super important because we think it's good to know statistics, it's good to know the math, it's amazing to be a good programmer, it's good to know computer science as well, but those alone don't make you a data scientist. The third thing in conjunction with these two other things is what really ties together what we're doing in Discovery. So the third thing, we're going to call it business intelligence. And it's this idea of being able to communicate your results and talk about what you did and why.
And I think of business intelligence also just thinking about the value of the results, because data by itself is great, but if you can turn that data into actionable intelligence, that's what really drives business.
Exactly. And this is something that we think is super important. And the intersection of these three things, so kind of right here in my diagram, this is what we're going to think of as data science throughout the rest of Discovery.
So that's an awesome intersection of three really, really important fields. And I think it's going to be such a great course to get a nerd out with you and all of them to do data science all semester long.
Exactly. And we're going to be looking at all three of these things in every single video throughout this series.
And that's an introduction to data science.